Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. Are you a Khadi lover? Are you a person who prefers Khadi sarees, who loves draping Khadi sarees? The next 3 days is for you. Rangvarsha is very happy to announce Khadi Cotton Saree Fest. So April 1st to April 3rd, we are going to show you more than 50 varieties only in Khadi Cotton sarees. Different color combination, different styles of prints, weaves and even hand painted Khadi cottons also we are going to show for you. So are you a person who doesn't like Khadi Cotton sarees? We bet that you will fall in love with our Khadi Cotton saree. Stay tuned and happy shopping. Namaskaram, welcome to Rangvarsha Sarees. So day 3 of our Khadi Cotton Saree Fest. Today we are going to show you different designs printed Khadi cotton sarees and చూపియబోతున్నామండి. And also we have complete Jamdani style Khadi cotton sarees also. We have ikat style printed Khadi cotton sarees. So ee roju collections చూద్దాం. How to shop your favorite sarees from Rangvarsha? Just follow 4 simple steps. First one, take a screenshot of your saree pic and send to the WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. Second one, you can book online at rangvarshasarees.com. Third one, you can directly visit to our store which is located in Kondapur, Botanical Garden Road, Hyderabad. And fourth one, you can book a video call slot. మీ preferred time slot కి మీరు అడిగిన varieties ని video call చేసి చూపిస్తాము. దాని నుంచి కూడా you can pick your favorite sarees. So one more way to get connected with Rangvarsha Sarees product is our Instagram channel. So don't forget to follow us for our regular updates. The first design in Khadi cotton saree, an embroidered Khadi cotton saree, a grey with purple color combination saree, grey color base ki multicolor thread embroidered booties throughout the body ki vastundi. Both sides 5 inches ki purple color contrast color border anedi vastundi, and this is the pallu. సో పళ్ళు అనేది కూడా కంప్లీట్ ఎంబ్రాయిడర్డ్ ప్యాటర్న్లో వస్తుంది. పైన కింద మనకి చిన్న చిన్న పోల్కా డాట్ చిన్న చిన్న ఎంబ్రాయిడర్డ్ ప్యాటర్న్స్ ఉంటుంది. అండ్ మధ్యలో మొత్తం ఒక 5 ఇంచెస్కి కంప్లీట్ ఎంబ్రాయిడర్డ్ బూటీస్ వస్తుంది. ది సారీ కమ్స్ విత్ ఫినిష్ టాజల్స్. ది సారీ హ్యాస్ అ రన్నింగ్ బ్లౌజ్. దిస్ సారీ ఈస్ ప్రైస్డ్ at 1450 free shipping. A peacock blue color Khadi cotton saree matched with contrast purple color borders and an embroidered body. This is the pallu. And the saree comes with a running blouse priced at 1450 free shipping. A parrot green color Khadi cotton saree with complete embroidered booties running through the body matched with contrast purple color borders. This is the pallu and the saree comes with a running blouse. A white color Khadi cotton saree. The saree carries Ganga Jamna pattern borders on either sides. A red with black color combination borders matched with contrast color embroidered booties. And this is an embroidered pallu priced at 1450 free shipping. An olive green color Khadi cotton saree. This saree carries contrast maroon color borders and embroidered booties running through the body and an embroidered pallu. Purple color combination Khadi cotton saree. This saree comes with contrast pink color borders on either side. So saree comes with complete embroidered booties. This is the pallu with finished tassels and the saree comes with a running blouse priced at 1450 free shipping. The next pattern in Khadi cotton saree andi, it's a shaded pattern saree. Grey color body ostundi, both sides contrast red color borders and again red color border anedi dual shaded border, red and grey mixed border. Again plain red color cotton border anedi ostundi and borders and body lo complete embroidered patterns unnai. Red color embroidery anedi vertical stripe pattern lo ostundi and white color anedi temple weaved embroidered booties laga manaku వస్తుంది. సో alternate red and white color embroidered patterns throughout the body అనేది మనకు ఉంటుంది. and this is the pallu. సో పల్లు అనేది కాంట్రాస్ట్ రెడ్ బేస్ మీద వైట్ అండ్ మస్టర్డ్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ embroidered pallu with finished tassels. The saree also comes with a red color blouse priced at 1500 free shipping. A beige with red color combination Khadi cotton saree. Beige color base ki contrast red color shaded borders and complete embroidered pattern. And this is the pallu. It's a grey color pallu matched with a grey color blouse priced at 1500 free shipping. A grey color Khadi cotton saree. This saree also comes with contrast red color embroidered motifs running through the body. This is the pallu. So pallu lo kuda chudandi contrast red color base మీద embroidered patterns వస్తున్నాయి. And we have a running blouse priced at 1500 free shipping. A sky blue color Khadi cotton saree. This saree carries black with white color embroidered motifs matched with contrast black color borders. This is the pallu and the saree comes with a grey color blouse priced at 1500 free shipping. Moving on to the next pattern in Khadi cotton saree andi, it's a complete printed pattern saree, a black with orange color combination saree. Ikat printed borders anedi both sides vastundi. It's a 10-inch printed border. So white, mustard, peacock blue color combination lo motif vastundi. So both sides equally with motifs vastunnai. Apart from the 2-inch orange color pipe and style border, ఇది పల్లు కంప్లీట్ ఇక్కత్ స్టైల్ ప్రింటెడ్ పల్లు అనేది ఉంటుంది. సో పీకాక్ బ్లూ మెరూన్ కలర్ కాంబినేషన్ ప్రింటెడ్ పల్లు, కంప్లీట్ పేస్లీ స్టైల్ ప్రింటెడ్ పల్లు with finished tassels. The saree also comes with orange color striped borders on either sides and this is the blouse, a running blouse with an ikat printed border for the sleeves. The saree is priced at 1450 free shipping. The next color combination, a baby pink color khadi cotton saree with ikat printed borders in purple, green and red color combination. This is the pallu and the saree comes with a running blouse. The next one, it's a navy blue color khadi cotton saree. This saree also comes with contrast color printed motifs running throughout the body. The saree has a pipe and style border, a rust color pipe and style border matched with an ikat printed pallu. The next color combination, this is a dual color shade and it's a yellow with orange color mixed saree. Dani koda both sides we have ikat printed motifs and a contrast yellow color motif. This is the pallu. The saree comes with a running blouse priced at 1450 free shipping. A parrot green color saree, a khadi cotton saree matched with ikat printed borders. The saree has a contrast color ikat printed pallu and running blouse priced at 1450 free shipping. The next pattern in khadi cotton saree and it's a complete checks pattern khadi cotton saree, a sky blue color saree matched with contrast peacock blue color border. So it's a white with blue color checks pattern anedi body ki vastundi. We also have a stripe pattern border, a peacock blue color 5-inch stripe pattern borders on either sides. This is the pallu. Pallu anedi complete ikat style printed pallu with finished tassels and the saree comes with a running blouse priced at 1300 free shipping. A purple color khadi cotton saree matched with contrast peach color borders. The saree comes with complete checks pattern body. This is the pallu, an ikat style pallu matched with a running blouse priced at 1300 free shipping. A yellow with red color combination khadi cotton saree with complete checks pattern body matched with an ikat printed pallu. A sky blue color khadi cotton saree matched with contrast purple color borders on either sides. The saree comes with a contrast color ikat printed pallu matched with a running blouse priced at 1300 free shipping. An orange with brown color combination khadi cotton saree. This saree also comes with complete checks pattern body. The saree has an ikat printed pallu with finished tassels matched with a running blouse. A yellow with orange color combination khadi cotton saree. This saree also comes with complete checks pattern body, a very pleasant color combination. This is the pallu and the saree comes with a running blouse. Moving on to the next design in khadi cotton andi, it's a sky blue color khadi cotton saree. Body mottam red with green color embroidered motifs vastunnai. Both sides ikat style printed borders and a plain border, a dual shaded border, blue with purple color combination border. This is the pallu, a complete ikat pattern printed pallu with finished tassels. The saree comes with a running blouse with contrast color printed border for the sleeves priced at 1450 free shipping. An orange color khadi cotton saree with a complete embroidered pattern running through the body matched with printed borders on either sides. This is the pallu, a contrast green color pallu matched with a running blouse. A red color khadi cotton saree. This saree also carries multicolor thread embroidered motifs running through the body matched with contrast beige color plain borders. This is the pallu. The saree comes with a running blouse priced at 1450 free shipping. A peacock green color khadi cotton saree. This saree has rust color pipe and style borders on either side. The saree comes with complete embroidered motifs running through the body matched with a printed pallu priced at 1450 free shipping. A black color khadi cotton saree. This saree also carries multicolor ikat printed borders on either sides. The saree comes with a printed pallu and finished tassels matched with a running blouse priced at 1450 free shipping. A bottle green color khadi cotton saree. This saree comes with contrast orange color pipe and style borders matched with a multicolor thread embroidered motifs running throughout the body. A white color khadi cotton saree. This saree comes with multicolor thread embroidered motifs matched with printed borders on either sides. A blue color khadi cotton saree matched with contrast rust color printed borders and multicolor thread embroidered motifs running throughout the body. A white color khadi cotton saree. This saree comes with royal blue and red color thread embroidered motifs matched with a yellow color pipe and style border and a ikat printed pallu. The next pattern in khadi cotton saree andi, it's a sky blue color saree, contrast royal blue color polka dot motifs అనేది బాడీకి వస్తుంది. Both sides మనకి 2 inches కి pipe and style borders అనేది వస్తుంది. The saree comes with the running pallu, so pallulo kuda same polka dot print వస్తుంది with finished tassels. These sarees do not come with blouses. The saree is priced at 1350 free shipping. A grey color khadi cotton saree. This saree also comes with contrast black color polka dot printed body matched with pipe and style borders on either sides. This is the pallu and the saree comes with fancy tassels priced at 1350 free shipping. A yellow with red color combination khadi cotton saree. The saree comes with contrast red color polka dot printed body matched with a running pallu, priced at 1350, free shipping. A white with black color combination polka dot printed khadi cotton saree matched with a running pallu, priced at 1350, free shipping. A red with yellow color polka dot printed khadi cotton saree matched with pipe and style borders on either sides. A white with blue color polka dot printed khadi cotton saree. This saree also comes with running pallu, priced at 1350, free shipping. The next color combination, a yellow color khadi cotton saree matched with green color polka dot printed body. The saree has a running pallu with fancy tassels, priced at 1350, free shipping. A white with rani pink color combination polka dot printed khadi cotton saree. This saree comes with a pipe and style border on either side. The saree has a running pallu, priced at 1350, free shipping. So with this episode we are coming to the end of Khadi Cotton Saree Fest andi. So ee 3 days complete Khadi cotton sarees lo different designs అనేది మీకు చూపించాము. I think you have liked the collections. ఈ sarees ఏదైనా మీకు కావాలంటే just send a screenshot to a WhatsApp number which is being displayed on the screen. You can also shop online at rangvarshasarees.com. ఈ వీడియో నచ్చిందంటే వీడియోని లైక్ చేయండి, షేర్ చేయండి, మా ఛానల్ని సబ్స్క్రైబ్ చేసుకోండి. ఇలాంటి కలెక్షన్స్ మిస్ కాకుండా ఉండాలంటే బెల్ ఐకాన్ని కూడా క్లిక్ చేసుకోండి. థ్యాంక్ యూ ఫర్ వాచింగ్.